In this video, we are going to create a jar of our application which can be deployed on any server. So what we are going to do is we are going to right click on our application, and in our application you can see this button export. You will click in export and there will be several options. Click on Mule and click any point studio project to Mule deployable archive. Click next, choose a location for it. I'm choosing my location, uh, um, and name it whatever you want. And there are several options. I'm selecting this based on this. If you only want sources and if you want everything, dependencies and modules, everything, then you need to select this option. I'm going to click finish. It will take some time and says that project exported successfully and selling with the location. Okay, so let me go to that location. Um, so So in this location, if you see here, this is my application. So it is right here. So you can see this is a jar. So when in Mule 3, it was different. And in Mule 4, your application is exported in the form of jar. So you can deploy this jar anywhere. So that's all.